Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. So today we're going to be in the key of F sharp. And okay, so I want to teach you just the drop I just played now. So you can use this for intro to songs. You can use it when pastor is preaching. So to be fast, I'll just call the name of the notes because I think I've done this in some other keys also. And if you need it in other keys also, I just need like 10, 20, 100 of you to just write it down. Please do it in this particular key, whatever key, any key. Once it's on the keyboard, just name that key. But I need a good number of people to make that. So in case there are a good number of you that have been, maybe you want something in the key of A, for instance. All right. So and you've been watching that, and you've been wondering maybe I can actually play in that key or whatever. I mean, yeah, sometimes it's possible. So just name that key, but I need a good number of people. Let's say like 20, 30, 50 people. Just write that. Okay, please do break down in the key of E or any key. Just mention that key. All right, so I'll just do it in that key. So let's not waste time. Let's get back to F sharp. So it goes like this. So the first set of notes is F sharp and B flat on left. You can write. Yeah, you can write. Please, you should write. Yeah, I used to tell you it's not a movie, so you should write. So you not say I'm too fast. I mean, you have to write. So we have a F sharp and B flat on left. On right, you have a D flat, E flat, and B flat. Right? So that's the first. Then the second chord I went to was we have a B flat and D flat on the left. B flat, B for ball, D for whatever. All right, that's the left hand. Then the right hand we have a F sharp. Sorry. I hope you can see it too. In case I make mistake, just correct me. Let me not take you to where you don't like to go. Well, what you don't know. So F, right? This is F, not F sharp. Then F sharp. So F sharp together. Then C sharp. All right. Yeah. So there are sometimes you have to always watch it. So in case if you make mistake, you just say, uncle, you make mistake right there. Yeah. But you have to be civil with it. I mean, yeah, yeah. You get it. God bless you, because it's actually a mistake and nobody's above mistake except God. He doesn't make mistakes. Yeah, he's a perfect one. So the next chord is C sharp and F on your left. Then on the right you have we have A flat, B flat, and F, right? Yes. So don't forget, you can bring in any techniques to this. You can bring in slows. I mean, anything. Yeah, all those stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So look at what I'm doing. I'm using this finger. I don't know if you can see this. The ring. This one is not ring finger. I don't know what it's called. I know the ring finger is on the left. Oh, where's my ring? Come on. Put your ring on. I'm married. I'm off market. Thank you. Okay, so you can, okay, look at what was this? So you can bring in any techniques to this to make it more interesting. We've gotten here then. Okay, so we have a B and E flat on the left. We have a F sharp, A flat, and E flat on the right. So we are back to B flat and D flat on the left, F sharp and C sharp on the right. Then to this F sharp second inversion, we have a F sharp and B flat again on the left. This time around we have a C sharp and B flat on the right. Okay, right. When you get here, you can skip the 2 notes on the left and you can continue. Don't forget the slow. maybe just the note before it. Stop it right there. Right. So the next chord we have F and A flat on the left, C sharp and A flat on the right. Okay, so what did I play? Okay, then I jumped here because I have different patterns. You get? Yeah. So then you come to 5. So 5 on the left. I've started calling number system again. I've gotten into number system. 5, that's D flat. Then on the right you have A flat and then F. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So after this chord, you come to this. I call this one composite chords. I don't know the reason why. Okay. So we have a 6 on the left. We have a 4, 5, 1 on the right. I think number system is just faster, man. So then you come here. You have a 4 on the left. You have a 1 and 6 on the right. Then you come here. You have a 3 on the left. You have a 1, 2, 5 on the right. So then you come to this one again. 1 on the left, 5 and 3 on the right. Then so you do something like this to this to get to this 7 chord. You know. So let me go again from top. Okay, so when you get to when you get to this one, you do something like this. So actually on that one, you do 2 to 3 on your left, on the right hand. Then you do 4, 3, 2 back to 7. So one more time. So then 5, you have captured my So you see, you can use it for intro to songs, or you can use it for a lot of talk, maybe pastor is preaching and code. Just use it for anything. Just be creative with it, right? Jesus, you love me too much, too much, I just love for. Click the subscribe button for many more. God bless you. Thank you.